Managing themes in WordPress. This tutorial will show you how to manage themes in WordPress. Click the Appearance section. There are a variety of themes that are available to download and install to change the look and feel and extend the functionality of WordPress. Additional themes can be found at. By default, WordPress comes with 2 themes installed, which can be activated from this window. Let's download and install a new one. Click the WordPress theme directory link. If you are looking for a particular theme that is not listed, use the search field to try to find it. Let's download and install the iNove theme. Check the documentation included with each theme for how to configure and use the theme. The documentation should be included in the archive when you download it. Click the Download button. Click the Save button. Click the Save button. Click the Close button when the transfer is finished. Next, we will upload the archive to the server and extract the files. For this demonstration, we will be using the File Manager in cPanel to upload and extract the contents of the compressed archive we downloaded that contains the software. The files can also be uncompressed locally and loaded via FTP. Click the Upload icon. Click the Browse button. Click the file. Click the Open button. Click the Back to link. Now let's find the file and extract its contents. Here it is. Click the icon to select it. Click the Extract icon. Enter the location where the files will be extracted. This will be the directory where you installed WordPress with wp/themes/ appended to the end of it. Click the Extract Files button. Click the Close button. Now let's go back to the Theme Manager. Refresh the page. Now, let's switch the theme to a new one. Click the iNove link. WordPress displays a preview of what the main page will look like with the new theme. Click the Activate iNove link. Now let's go to the site. Click the site link. Now let's switch it back. Click the WordPress default link. Click the Activate WordPress default link. Click the site link. Our original theme has been restored. Let's go back to the admin panel and briefly look at one more option. Click the editor link. Editing themes requires editing PHP code and/or cascading style sheets or CSS. This will require skills in PHP programming, HTML editing, JavaScript programming, and CSS. It is recommended that you only attempt editing a theme if you have the skills that are required. There is an option in WordPress to change what widgets are displayed on the pages, which does not require manually editing the code in the files. Since this will alter the display for all installed themes, using this functionality will not be covered in this tutorial. Theme-specific controls will also be displayed here if the theme has them. Check the documentation included with the theme for assistance with the theme-specific controls. It's also a good idea to keep a copy of the original theme as a backup before you start making changes so that you can reinstall it fresh should you need to. Select the theme to edit. WordPress allows you to make changes to themes other than the current one so that your changes will not be visible to the public until you're finished and switch to the newly modified theme. Click the Select button to switch if you selected a different theme to edit. Click the file name to select it and then enter the changes to it here and finally, click the Update File button to save the changes. Once you save the changes to a file, you can preview the changes to a theme before activating it using the Preview feature under the Themes option. Congratulations! You now know how to manage themes in WordPress.